Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some beautiful sari hairstyle ideas with flowers. So let's elevate your sari game with these stunning sari hairstyle ideas featuring the beauty of flowers. Are you looking to add a touch of elegance and tradition to your sari look? So look on further. In this video, we have curated a collection of exquisite and easy to create sari hairstyles adorned with gorgeous blooms that will make you the center of attraction to any occasion. Whether you're getting ready for a wedding, festive celebration, or just want to flaunt your love for saris, our step-by-step tutorial will guide you through a variety of floral-inspired hairstyle ideas that perfectly complement with your sari drapes. From classic bun hairstyle adorned with jasmine to intricate braided style embellished with roses, there is a hairstyle here for every sari lover. A floral bun hairstyle, a rose adorned bag, jasmine gajra bun, floral half up, half down hairstyle with some floral hair accessories. These are the creative ways to incorporate flowers into your hairstyle. So join us as we explore these beautiful hairstyle ideas. If you like this amazing collection, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Take a very good care of yourself. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.